Gemini, Namaste. Welcome to your January 1st fortnight reading. Let me apologize to all of you for not being able to do the weekly readings for the first fortnight because I had a lot on my plate. I was running behind schedule. So I decided to make a fortnight reading which will give me time to catch up, and then we will get back to our weekly readings. Okay, please bear with me. I just want to thank all of you for all your love and support. I'm so grateful to all of you. I'm also available now for my personal readings in case you're interested. You'll find all my contact details in the description box below the video. I just want to point out one thing here. There is a lot of scam going on there. I have given you 2 contacts. Now those are the only places that you can contact me for a personal reading. Any other sources contacting you, that is not me. Okay, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Don't try to fit yourself into any situation. Always watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos to give you a complete and clearer picture about the different energies playing out for you. Okay, I hope you all have had a good New Year's Eve and are all ready and roaring for the new year. Okay, so Gemini, let's get your tarot cards on the table and we are ready to roll. Okay, I get a very calming energy as I'm shuffling your cards, which is always very nice, isn't it? Okay, I'm a Gemini moon myself, so a little bit of peace and quiet is much needed. All right, Gemini, first fortnight of January 2022 reading for you. Openings, I love that. New beginnings, new doors opening, new opportunities coming. And this is number 22. Always look at your angel number. Check out angel number 22 and master number 22. 22 is a number of building something. It's a master builder number to me. And it talks about, yes, a new build. You're building something new, okay? You're laying the foundation for something new, which is brighter. You can see the blue skies and it is very well lit, and the place you are coming from is darker, so you're entering something much more beautiful and bright. And the unicorn says a new door is opening for you, and this new door is going to take you away. Can you see the path there? So it's going to lead you to somewhere that is a little different from where you are. For a lot of you, this may mean a job change, a career change also. For some of you, this may mean a relocation. For some of you, and that too even in a different country for some of you. And for others of you, this means a small trip or a travel, even abroad. And this I see is a different mindset. It's a different energy that you are entering. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Gemini, I love to travel, so I would love that part of the reading, and I claim that. Okay, now you've drawn yourself community. Beautiful. Now this is number 8. 8 to me always signifies infinite limit, infinite potential and infinite abundance. Okay, now can you see this person, this giraffe, stepping out of something that was very limiting to him? It's a giraffe, so it's a very tall one, and this hut looks very small. So it's time he steps out and he's going to go somewhere and he's going to find his own community. Can you see this baby giraffe here? That he's talking to. There are different kinds of birds here, which is talking about you may meet people whom you are going to guide. So a lot of you are star seeds or light workers who are watching this, or just who can consider themselves spiritual people. Okay, so you are going to step out of a limited belief of yours where you thought you were happy with just being on your own spiritual journey, but now people are going to reach out to you to ask for your guidance. That's the main energy I get. For the others of you, this is talking about now you have outgrown your job, your career, your home, your city, your town. your mindset, basically. That is what I was getting. And you are now stepping out into a community which is different from what you are used to, and you're going to attract those kind of opportunities towards you, and that will give you an idea, that will give you the opportunity to explore this new door opening. Love it, love it, love it. Wow, Gemini, you've drawn the abundant card in this deck, Cornucopia. Can you look at this beautiful golden light and this? Wow, you had 22 here, 22 here, and this is number 11. Look up the number 11 angel number and 11 as a master number. This is about new doors opening, again a confirmation. Okay, so it's about new beginnings, new doors opening to what? To abundance, to prosperity, to happiness, to warmth, to success, to joy, harmony. And can you see this abundance here in the form of fruits and vegetables, and the sun shining here so brightly? It's a beautiful woods. There is transformation with this butterfly, and there are beautiful birds here. So it is about getting into an energy of abundance. Now, abundance is not just money. Abundance is good health, harmony, happiness, success. Okay, so this is the energy that this new door is bringing you. The moment you realize and you have that enough courage to step out of this comfort zone which you have outgrown. Okay, and that is when you are embracing a complete robustness to your life. Love it, Gemini. And for the single Geminis, you can expect somebody expressing their love for you. They have a crush on you, they love you, they like you. There's going to be a proposal, there's going to be an expression of love. Or it could be you who have someone in mind that you will express or offer your cup of love. And it's a night energy, so they are messengers, but they also how should I say, they are more capable of completing a task. So this is going to happen. And if you see, he is moving towards a mountain, so he's got high aspirations. This is a person who has high aspirations, is very ambitious, who has high values, and is very capable of making them come true. For the others of you not looking for love, this is about a new offer, this new opportunity coming into your life, which is going to give you emotional fulfillment, this cornucopia. Okay, so this could be a new job offer, a new business partnership, an offer for a new apartment that you want to buy or rent, anything new, or a job which is in a different place. Anything that gives you a lot of emotional fulfillment, leading you towards this cornucopia abundance. Wow! Queen of Wands energy. Now forget the gender. This is an energy of a boss, of an entrepreneur, of an extremely bold and confident person, magnetic, charismatic, very wise, no-nonsense person, very fiery, very passionate, and divinely guided. Okay, so she is so confident in herself because she is grounded, yet she is connected to the spirit realms very well. So this is a very spiritual person, but is also deeply rooted in this world, and she takes charge. She's a go-getter energy. So this energy is all to me about balance between going after your dreams, yet having a life purpose and going towards that. And the sun and these two lions here talk about confidence. And can you see the sun energy here reflected again? She's abundant. She herself is wearing yellow. So she's very abundant, and she's what we call sexy. She knows her magnetic power, and she's very confident and bold. And with this black cat here, this is the new opportunity, the new door that is opening, which is going to make you feel this energy. You're going to embody this energy. Love it from you. And you've drawn the Chariot card. Now this is a major arcana card, which is talking, whenever a major arcana comes in, it talks about a big change. It's not a small change that you will miss. Okay, so this is a big change and it is coming right under the cornucopia card. So you are moving into this energy very soon. The moment you balance your energy, understand that you've outgrown a job, a relationship, a place, anything, a mindset, and that you need to step out of your comfort zone, get into a new community, as in attract a new community. Take this opportunity to make this shift, and that, express your love, begin a new chapter, and be confident about it. That is when you balance your these both yin and yang energy which is within us, the divine masculine and divine feminine energy, where you take action and you wait for things to come to you, the right kind of balance. That is when the Chariot, and incidentally you are the person driving this Chariot. So the moment you get into balance, you bring your Chariot into balance, and that is when you find your abundance in everything. And Gemini, you deserve this. I love it. It's a very, very powerful and very positive reading for you. And let's see, I'll leave you with one final card from this oracle deck. Let's see what message they have for you. All right, what a reading, what a reading. I claim this for myself. Wow. And in my personal reading today for myself, Isis came out, and what a message does she have for you, for all of us. Isis says magic manifesting. Can you see this? Can you see this? It's a confirmation of your entire reading. Magic manifesting. You are the magic. Your dreams, visions, and goals are becoming reality. Amen. Stay focused. What more do I need to say? Powerful reading for you, Gemini. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you did, give a like to this video, and subscribe to my channel, and expect many more beautiful readings quite regularly in this coming year. I'll see you soon, Gemini. Namaste.